Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I am back with some nice tips and tricks again. Today I will show you a very nice tip where, for example, if you have like this data you receive from your mainframes, from your database, from your computer department, and you want this to be separated in columns. So there is an easy way you can do it by applying a simple formula. Just press equal to sign and type text split, then select the cell, then put a comma there, and put inverted commas. And now here you have to see what delimiter you have here. For example, I have here comma, so I am putting comma. If you have something else, maybe semicolon or space or whatever, you can put the same thing. So I have a comma here. I'll put a comma in inverted commas and close the brackets and press enter. See, it's now separated. So now what you can do, you can just copy this down. Okay, and here you go. Okay, it's a nice trick. See you in the next trick. Okay friends, here is another trick. Today we will learn about how to use a clipboard. Okay, for example, first of all you have to show the clipboard which is available in the home tab. Okay, click here, click this arrow, you will get the clipboard here. For example, you want to copy, you will copy, I'm copying this first two rows. Okay, control C, then I will copy last two rows, control C. Now I will paste somewhere. You can paste also in another sheet, no problem. Anywhere you want, you can paste it. And I will click paste all. See, it's copied. You can see here this row I didn't copy. It did not copy here. I got only 3 rows. Okay, that's nice, right? Okay friends, here is another trick. Let's say you have data like this in different places. Okay, here is one data, here is another data, and you have somewhere else also data here. What do you want to do? You want to combine this data, this one, this data, and this data you want in one place. Okay, for example, like this, here you want all these data, total data, to be combined here. What you can do, there is a simple formula here where you can apply this formula: equals p stack, then select the range. Okay, put a comma, then select another range. Sorry about that. Select another range and press enter. That's it. Done. Hello friends, here is another trick. Let's say you have some heading here. Okay, for example, I'll type here employees list. Okay, and if you want to center in all this row across the columns. Okay, so what you usually do, you merge and center. Okay, now I will show you today another trick which is without merging, you can center it. Okay, type your text here, select everything and press Ctrl 1. Go to alignment. Okay, go to horizontal, then select center across selection. Okay, then click OK. Here you go. Now it is separate, the columns are not merged. Nice. Hello friends, here is another trick. Today I'm going to show you how, when you add a comment note here, you can add a picture here. How can we add a picture here? Okay, let's say for example, USA country, I want to add a flag for this country. So right click here. Okay, then add new note. Okay, remove the name first, remove the name, then right click here, format comment, go to colors and lines, select fill color, then fill effect, then go to picture. Okay, select picture, then browse, then you must have somewhere stored the pictures. I will select United States, insert and insert and okay. Okay, see, it's inserted. Now if you have the same country, just copy this and paste here. Now everywhere it will be copied. Okay, now I will try for India. Again same thing, add new note, remove text, then right click, format comment, go to fill effects, picture, select a picture, browse, select your flag, insert, say okay, and okay, here you go. Okay, now I will copy this and paste here and paste here. Now let's do it for the Saudi Arabia. New note, then remove the text, right click, format comments, go to fill effects, go to picture, select the picture, browse, then you have here Saudi Arabia, insert, say okay, okay, done. See, now here you have here all the flags here. Okay, it's very nice, right? Okay, done. Okay friends, here is the last trick. I will show you now how you can shift the column position. For example, normally what you do, if you select this and you want to shift this B column after C. Okay, let's try like this. Move this and you want here, somewhere here. So it will not allow you to do that. There's already data here. Do you want to replace it? Okay, I don't want to replace it, but I just want to shift it. There is a trick here you can do. So first select the column. For example, I'll select this column. Okay, then press shift key. See, you will get this 4 arrows. Okay, press shift key and move here. Say let's say I want here and release the mouse. Okay, now if I want here, again press shift key, hold this and move it here. Okay, then if you want to move this again here, you want here first, you can do it. Okay, I'll just bring this back again to the original position, or I'll put it here. Okay, it's an easy way, very nice. Okay, then see you next time with some more new tricks. Okay, bye.